This lawnmower is like a probably 3-year-old model, and it cost me $399 from Home Depot. Sure, the lawnmower looks great. Let's open it up. This is what it is. Okay, on this part here, all the tools. And I think this is the power switch. Two battery charger. This is the bag. 4 battery. 4.0 battery here. Take this out. Pretty heavy. I think this is a metal one. Okay, there you go. Well done. That's one. Now, this is moisture. A bag. This is what it looks like in a bag, which I'm not gonna use. I'm just gonna use that motor here. It's so easy to set up this lawnmower. I'm gonna put a new set of battery there, and we'll see how it runs. Battery's full. And battery's full. Let's put it in. It won't start until you put on the key, the safety key.
Oh.
Okay. And it starts. This is a power button here, the full battery here.
Okay.
And this is a quiet mode when you want to mow the lawn in the morning, or when they're, when you want it quiet, so leave it there. So, but I'm gonna put on quiet just in case. And I think I have to push this down, pull it back here. So my lawn is pretty small, so I think maybe a set of batteries should be enough. This is how big my lawn is. So it's not that big, so it's really small. This one here and over there, that size. My backyard, I don't have to do it because it's all just for plants. I got a garden back there, so don't need it. Got my yard done. It's pretty fast. Small yard, so it's easy. Pretty good. When it detects long grass, it will ramp up the RPM. And when it's low grass, it lower the RPM. So it's very efficient in matching the battery. Yeah, it cut pretty well. It's quiet, so quiet compared to the gas. Now I'm gonna take the battery out from there and put on my trimmer to see if one set of battery could on my front lawn. That's it. See how it goes. So I'm going to use the highest power, number 3, the highest speed. See how I can deplete the battery. Oh, so it's got 3 bar left. Some Repo took a lot of battery left. 4. We shouldn't be having problem going through one set of battery with a 4.0. So far, so good. We'll see how long it lasts. I've noticed that the gas got more power, but this is more quiet, and since my lawn is small, I think it's perfect for my lawn. It's my old lawn tools. I'm going to chunk this up